In front of me is Motorola Moto S50, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back to standard keyboard by clicking on this arrow at the top left one. Now, to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. If you want to paste it later on, tap on Clipboard and click on it here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner. Select your text and tap on Pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete it, click on the pen one more time. Select your text and use Pin icon next to the pin one. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!